In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get Sendwave promo code 2025, step by step. Let's walk through the exact process so you can apply a promo and save on your next transfer. We'll keep it simple and practical, and I'll share quick tips to help you avoid common errors along the way. Start by finding a valid promo code. The most reliable sources are official channels like promotions highlighted inside the Sendwave app, emails from the company, or notifications if you've opted in. You can also use referral codes shared by friends who already use the app. Before you commit to a code, check the fine print, expiration date, which countries or currencies it's valid for, whether it's for new or existing users, and any minimum transfer amount. If a site looks suspicious or asks for personal details to unlock a code, skip it. Stick to reputable sources so you don't waste time on invalid offers. Next, open the Sendwave app. Make sure it's updated to the latest version so the promo field and pricing display correctly. Sign in or create an account if you're new. If you're prompted to verify your identity, complete that step now. Promos generally won't apply until your account is ready to send. Enabling notifications can help you catch future deals, but that's optional. Now enter the promo code. Depending on your device and app version, you'll usually find a promo or promotion section in your account or profile area. Some users will also see an option to enter a code during checkout on the payment screen. Type the code exactly as you found it. Watch for extra spaces or wrong characters and tap apply. Look for a confirmation note or a visible discount. If it doesn't apply, double check the terms. Make sure the code hasn't expired and confirm you meet any minimum amount. Finally, send money. Choose your recipient or add a new one. Select the payout method they'll use and enter the amount you want to send. Review the exchange rate, the fees, and most importantly, that your promo is clearly applied before you confirm payment. Pick your payment method, confirm the transfer, and save the receipt or confirmation screen in case you need support later. If a code still won't work, try increasing the transfer amount to meet any minimums, confirm it's valid in your region, or use a different current code. You can always reach out to in-app support for help. That's it. Find a legit code, open the app, apply it correctly, and complete your transfer with the savings showing on screen.